I got something in the mail, and who's excited when they get new cooking stuff? I know I am. I actually know what's in the box. So let's not hesitate, and let's just see what I've got. Love new cooking stuff, and this one sounds like it's going to be really great. So I'm really excited. I'm going to have to put the box on the floor and pull this out because it's big. Oh, take a look at that. Awesome. It is the new Instant Pot Pro. So I'm really excited to get this. I'm one of the first to get to try it, and I'm going to be making all kinds of things with it so that I can share recipes and tips and all that good stuff. And man, is this thing wrapped. Well, I can tell you that their packaging is solid, but I'm just excited that this came. And who uses an Instant Pot? Any of you? Do you use an Instant Pot? Have you been making things in a pressure cooker at all? It's a great way to get things cooked fast, and it holds in all the nutrition, which is great. Well, that was well packaged. Let's see. I want to see it. I know it says a lot of stuff on the box, but I want to see. It says, hello, get ready to experience fast, tasty, and healthy cooking. All right, I'm ready. Got the book. This looks like an extra seal. That's nice that they send you an extra one. All right. Here it is. Feels like Christmas. All right, here it is. Beautiful. Okay, I'm excited. And this Instant Pot, this is the newest one. It does pressure cooking, rice, steam, saute, which is a great feature. If you haven't used an Instant Pot that has a saute feature, that's great. Slow cooking, sounds like we're replacing a few appliances. Sous vide cooking, I cannot wait to do some of that. Yogurt, baking, and it looks like you can save settings for some favorites here. You can delay the start, and it's got a keep warm feature. I am super excited to use this. I don't know about you. So if there is something particular you'd like to learn how to fix in the Instant Pot, let me know. I'll work something up, and maybe your wish will be my command. I have a little rack in here for cooking a roast. I love carnitas done in the Instant Pot. That's definitely something I'll be making, and many other things. So I'm super excited. I'll be trying this, and I'll let you know what I think, and watch for recipes.